everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will review another data analyst resume, and this is again a resume of a fresher who reached out to me on LinkedIn. If you want your resume to be reviewed by me, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can also send me an email, which is mentioned in the description box below. Now, coming to the resume review. So first of all, the file name, you have to mention your first name, last name, underscore, the role you are applying for. Make sure you don't have any version or any number following the file name. Then comes to the resume itself. You will put your name, your email address. Make sure it is a professional looking email address. You can put your uh, mobile number, then LinkedIn portfolio. Again, really good. If you can make a portfolio, it is a really good way to showcase all your work all in one place. So yeah, this is really great. LinkedIn and portfolio both are hyperlinks here, and make sure the LinkedIn URL is custom made, which is having your name, first name and last name instead of the random generated LinkedIn URL that you usually get. Professional summary is looking good. Only one suggestion here. Again, this is a personal opinion. Um, and this will vary from one person to another. This is really subjective. So um, I would prefer it if it was written in first person, but anyway, this is looking fine either way. Next, skills are looking good. You have mentioned in different groups, which looks really nice for anyone to just check and see if you have the relevant skills or not. For SQL, for advanced Excel and Power BI, you have mentioned few more things, few more topics that you are aware of. But yeah, these are like really basic stuff. So I don't think it is really necessary for you to mention join, CTE, aggregate these things in brackets because anyway, it is almost implicit that you must know these things. So yeah, this is something you can remove if you want. Again, in programming language Python, which is really good, really relevant for role of data analyst. For the modules, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, yes, these are really good and these are relevant. But again, this is used all the time. So if you are using something which is like not really commonly used, I would rather keep that than this. But anyway, you are a fresher, so you have lots of time to learn new modules, new skills. So yeah, I think this is good for a fresher right now. Data visualization, Power BI, I think the BI you can keep in capital, just like here you kept. And Excel, yes, it is true that we can do a lot of visualization using Excel as well. But when you are talking about data visualization in particular, I don't think it is a good idea to put Excel right next to Power BI. And also, you have already mentioned advanced Excel here in data analytics tools. So I think you can get rid of this one here. Quantitative skills, soft skills are looking good. Again, work experience and projects. This is the most relevant part the recruiter is going to look at. So you mentioned about your internships here, which is really good. And you have also mentioned about the skills that you learned or what were the achievements, what were the deliverables. So yeah, this is really good. Coming to the projects, yes, good thing that you have mentioned the heading and you also talked about the several machine learning algorithms that you used, what problems you faced, how you overcame it, and what were the achievements. So, yeah, this is a really good format for talking about your projects. And this is also really good that you have put in the links as well, so the recruiter can open up the link and maybe ask few questions from there as well, or you can really well showcase your work. Um, Only one suggestion here, that the projects are kind of like using toy data sets to, so we go through a lot of resumes, and these are like really common data sets which everybody will start their data science journey with. So if you can uh, find some less common data set, that will be better. I mean, yes, you can still do linear regression, ridge regression, and whatnot. But if you can do it in some different data sets, some more unique use cases, that will be a little bit better. That will help your profile to stand out even better. Visualization is fine, COVID-19 is fine. Again, if you can use some more unique data sets, that will be better. Education and certification, this is looking good. I think there are two colons, you can get rid of one. CGPA is really good. So this is great that you have put in your CGPA here, and certifications are also relevant. Achievements, yes, this is really good. So make sure whenever you are putting in the achievements, it is relevant and it is actually going to help your case to find a job. There are sometimes I see that people are putting in achievements which is not even relevant to the job or relevant to anything. Um, so in such cases, I think you should completely avoid putting such things. Um, CV or resume is a crisp document where you are putting in all your best skills, or you are showcasing your work and whatnot. So yeah, make sure that it is putting you under a really good, um, putting you into a highlight. And yeah, I think this is a really um, good resume. Just small tweaks here and there, and you are good to go. So, yeah, thank you for sharing your resume for resume review. If you want, you can update some of these things as per my suggestion. And yeah, I hope you find the right job that is the most suitable for you. And for the others, if you want your resume to be reviewed, make sure to reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can also reach out to me on my email address given below in the description.